Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, 28th of January, the day after the disaster in which Nvidia lost $600 billion in market cap and in which we took a really big hit on the AI sector and the semiconductors. We all know what happened, but today it's a little bit of a dead cat bounce because Nvidia is pushing 6% and the Nasdaq is also bouncing a bit. We are going to analyze the price action, but first the economic data and also a little bit of earnings. We got General Motors reporting better than expected earnings with an adjusted EPS of 1.92 against an estimate of 1.83. That's good on the earnings. That demonstrates a certain degree of resilience within the automotive sector. And additionally, although revised downwards, the US Consumer Confidence Index still stands at 104.1, almost similar to the 104.7 previous. We fell short of expectations, but I think this is a check in the right direction. The big thing today in the economic data world is two things. The first thing is the US house price index year over year registers a growth of 4.2%, a little bit less than the 4.5%, indicating continuing growth, but also lowering those prices. And finally, the most alarming is the US durable good orders, a substantial drop. Look at this, minus 2.2%, really pushing lower on the negative side, suggesting a slowdown in manufacturing and investment, and also contracting, signaling a contracting potential slowdown in overall health of the economy. The US durable goods met expectations on 0.3 in terms of overall on core side, but I think that what all people is watching is semis and M. So even though we have a sentiment analysis of 35, slightly bearish towards the negative side, impacting the consumer confidence, durable good, house price index, we have to really focus on what happened yesterday. We lost on the first day of the week more than 1,000 points. But today we are bouncing a bit. How much we are bouncing? Are we coping? Are we dead cat bouncing? And we are going to continue down. We have to really see what Nvidia is doing. We have a huge gap on Nvidia of more than 6% on the open of the week. And then we have during trading hours, we have another drop of another 9%. We are still in this zone. We are not even reclaim the level of high. We are just bouncing a bit in this dip. But I think if we go to the daily to the magnitude of this is, this is record breaking downward pressure. This was a really big hit Nvidia on one of the most iconic stock right now in the world. So if we check the Nasdaq, it's obviously that all is buying this dip. But let's first start with yesterday's move and today's price action during the. So we are coiling, we are trying to push higher, but we have two things to think about. The first thing is the new week opening gap down of more than 1,000 points. And that's still from where we are right now, that's 300 points there. It's pretty good that we bounce this much. But we are right now in an order block, a bearish order block on the 1 hour. If we go to the 15-minute, we left open a 15-minute fair value gap bullish, took the buy side, and then we push the order block. But I'm super interested. I will be watching what is exactly this zone is between the bulls, if they are going to commit, or if bears are going to continue pushing, committing to the bearish Nvidia. This is what's going to happen. We need to see how these levels react. No one knows until we hit them. So my first and most significant recommendation today, apart from Apple being 4%, basically look at this. Unbelievable. Also, Microsoft. So Apple and Microsoft are really holding the Nasdaq. We took a big hit, and Apple and Microsoft are basically giving some air to the Nasdaq. Nvidia is dead cat bouncing, but if this was a trap, big money is buying this dip, we have to really wait for new week opening gap level and basically this zone. We are right there, so we have to really be patient. Think about where we don't think that okay, the dip is done. Let's buy this thing because we are gonna. That's not how it works, and that's not how I trade and how I'm doing this content. We have to really be patient and disciplined towards this kind of thing. And I'm not confident after this huge dip, huge fall. I'm not confident in buying. Nasdaq is 1.50 today. That's good, but today we took, yeah, and if we are going to reclaim these levels, I need a more from the. I'm not going to jump because I'm seeing the turn. We are at critical. Wait, wait. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are big days earnings. Also, an answer. Also, another reason to wait and see how things. So that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that the trading day is not over yet. Patience, discipline, risk management are crazy week. So stay tuned, stay safe, and